Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to catch a Pokemon on your Pokemon Go. So, at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open your Pokemon Go. And as you open, just log in and be in the space as I am. And as you're in the space and you see a Pokemon, all you have to do is just tap that Pokemon at first. And as you type it, it takes a load. And as it loads, you can see I can throw a Pokeball at the Pokemon. So all I have to do is just hold my Pokeball and hit the Pokemon right there as it shows. And as I hit it, you can see I have captured the Pokemon. And it takes a while until it gets settled in your Pokeball. So guys, that's how you catch a Pokemon on your Pokemon Go. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.